In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change username in Microsoft Word. This is a quick but important tweak that controls how your name appears in comments, tracked changes, and document properties. It's especially helpful if you share files, collaborate with others, or just switched devices and want your work to show the correct author. Start by opening Microsoft Word and any document. It can be a blank file. This setting applies across Word, not just a single document. Look to the upper left corner of the window and click File. That takes you to the Backstage area where Word keeps its app-wide settings. On the left side of this screen, find and click Options. A Word Options window will open. This is where most of Word's global preferences live. If you don't land there automatically, make sure the General category is selected on the left. In the General section, scroll to the area labeled Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. Here you'll see fields for username and initials. This is the identity Word uses when it labels your comments and tracked changes, and it also appears in some document properties. Click into the username box and type the name you want others to see. If you collaborate frequently, choose something recognizable and professional. Then, update the initials field to match. Word uses initials in certain views, so keeping them consistent helps others identify your contributions at a glance. When you're happy with the changes, click OK to save and close the Word Options window. To confirm everything worked, try adding a quick comment or turning on track changes and typing a few words. You should see your new name and initials on the markup. Keep in mind, this change affects new comments and edits going forward. Existing comments or tracked changes will keep the name that was set when they were created. A couple of helpful tips. This setting is local to the Word app on your device. If you use Word on multiple computers, you'll want to repeat this change on each one. If you're signed into a work or school account, some collaborative experiences may still display your account profile name in certain places. That's normal and separate from the local Word username. For best results, keep your username consistent across your devices and accounts. That's it. Just File, Options, and a quick update to your username and initials. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps your documents reflect exactly who's contributing to them.